the baby dog. I just.
Hey guys.
Oh. Oh.
You got Derek and the dog howling together.
I'm Derek.
I'm Tanya.
We
are Van Life Voyages.
And this is Gunner.
Yes.
Hi, buddy.
Derek's
Tell me how you feel. Can you tell me what you're thinking about right now?
BFF dog.
Anyway,
stay tuned. We are talking about why our kitchenette had to be removed and modified. See you in a few.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you down.
Who's the baby dog? Who's the baby dog? Look at the baby dog. He's just a baby dog. He's just a big old baby. He's a big old baby dog. That's
your BFF.
The kitchenette's gone. It's going to be put back in today. It's been a couple of months. We took out the granite countertop. We took out the entire cabinet so that we could put in the wheelchair-friendly driver's seat. It needed a little extra room. Don't we all?
Anyway, we had to do some modifications to make room for that.
Needed a little extra room, and one side of the cabinet was just too large. It was too much, so we had to take it off. Had to reconfigure the countertop. This time, instead of granite, we went with butcher block.
Yay, it's so pretty.
Came out really, really nice.
Why do we need to take out that kitchenette?
Took the kitchenette out so we could put in the fat guy in a wheelchair power seat, because the fat guy in a wheelchair power seat needed a little extra room, and we had to encroach upon the sink area to get the fat guy in a wheelchair power seat. Check it out. You can see it.
That thing right there on the floor.
Yep.
That big
See,
black
the base.
square base.
The base connects up to the chair, and that provides a track for the chair to go back and forth. All right?
Insert him getting into the power seat right here.
In just a second. Driver's seat is a motorized 6-direction captain's chair, right? Spins left and right, 1, 2, up and down, 3, 4, forward and back, 5, 6. It's handy as hell.
Anyway, here I am in the captain's seat because I'm the captain of this van.
Oh, God.
Anyway, let me show you how this baby works. I'm going to go back. Oh! It goes up and down. It goes left and right. And look at that, I can swivel almost the whole entire way around. Ta-da! But I like it because it's fun. And I can kick back right here and chill. Anyway, I know you all want one.
Everybody wants one. All the cool kids have them.
Yeah, and if I want to, I do have to turn this knob if I want to lay back, though. It's not automatic. That's manual, but man, you could kick back good in this chair. Go up in the air.
Short people got no reason.
I can't reach the pedals if I go up like that, so it's not working. Anyway, enough playing around.
Yeah, you're gonna break it.
You're gonna break it, then you won't be able to use it.
Don't break my chair.
It's almost back in.
These actually might stick through, but it'll be alright.
And as you can see, it does make a great spot for my one burner stove. See right here? Sink, kitchen counter, and my one burner stove. And it just tucks away and fits underneath the sink right there. Anyway, this is how we cook when we're in the van. Outside the van, we have an outdoor barbecue grill and a one burner stove that is attached to that to cook outside with. So we have multiple ways to cook.
We gotta push play
Okay.
to start recording.
Okay.
Oh, did you push the record button?
Oh, you mean it might already be going?
Okay, then it
Okay,
is. Anyway, but because of all this
But
motion,
your face is in the shadow right now, and all I can see is boob down.
stop it and move it. You can move the camera a
I
little
can't.
bit.
Okay, listen to me. It ain't gonna change the fact that your head's in the shade. Don't break my chair.
All right.
Quit. Are you zooming in on my boobs again?
No.
Stop.